Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I am great. Your name is Laura, right?
It is Laura. What's your name is Ramzan?
Yes, correct.
Ramzan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So you are from UK?
I am from the UK. Yeah, I currently live in Peru.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. And what's your profession?
I'm an English teacher.
I mean, you are teaching online right now. Other than that,
I teach on Cambly and I teach in a school, in an institute for English. So I'm
okay.
always an English teacher, always.
Okay, so you mean that your passion is to become an English teacher, right?
What I want to be, what I
Yes.
want to be is I want to be an interpreter for Spanish and English.
Okay, so you mean that you are also fluent in Spanish?
I am.
Okay, great. And you are living with your family?
No, I live I came to Peru alone and I live with three of my friends. So I don't
Oh.
have my family here. I'm alone.
Okay, so you mean that you are independent right now?
I am independent, very independent.
Okay, that's great.
What what about you? What is your profession? What do you work as?
I am a software developer.
Oh wow.
Yes,
Software developer. Very interesting.
yes,
And
trying to improve my English.
your English is already very good, but yeah, there's always room for improvement with any language. I definitely need to improve my Spanish sometimes. So
Yes, but I had the problem with talking with girls. So that is my biggest problem. I mean, I am
oh,
not confident enough to speak with them.
well, you're talking to me, so the confidence is there. You're doing great.
You
You're
are
doing
away
great.
from you are away from me. If someone is physically near to me, then I would not have that type of
Uh,
confidence to talk with her.
okay, so in person, you struggle a bit.
Yes.
Okay, that can be hard sometimes. I used to struggle talking to guys as well, but now it's okay.
So,
You need to have the confidence.
yes, yes. So can you please tell me some tricks so that I feel somewhat confident when I'm talking with a girl? Because the problem is like when someone is asking me the question, I even not able to give the proper reply. I mean, I get stressed and lose the whole confidence.
Uh-huh. Well, I would say to get some confidence, one of the best tricks, it's all about ego. So you, before you speak to somebody or when you go out on the street, you need to think that you are the best person to walk the entire earth. You know, that you are the best person. And it's all about that. If you think or believe that you are the most attractive, the friendliest, the funniest, then eventually you're going to believe it. And also saying it out loud. So you be like, I am, if you say, it's a little bit silly, a little bit stupid, but if you say it out loud to yourself, like, I am confident, I'm attractive, I can talk to whoever I want. If you do that every day,
Uh-huh.
eventually it works. It works.
Yes, yes. Actually, I also heard about a book that is Our Mind is Listening.
Uh-huh.
So
Exactly, man. Always listening.
yes, so that means that if we are creating a type of confidence for ourselves and trying
Hmm.
to speak loudly that I am confident, I am the best person on this planet. So of course, at
Exactly.
that moment, our mind is satisfied with our ego,
Hmm.
right?
Exactly. Just repeat it every day, and
Mhm.
eventually you're like, I am the best. I'm right. I am the best, and it brings that confidence.
So
And when
you
you,
you did
sorry,
the
talk.
same thing?
Of course, I did the same thing when I was younger because I had trouble talking to people as well, and it worked. And now I can talk to you. I mean, I have to have some type of confidence to be an English teacher.
Yes.
So yeah, it definitely helps. Definitely helps.
Actually, yesterday I okay, so I also wanted to check your confidence. So, for example, I'm asking you the question professionally. Introduce yourself.
Introduce myself right now.
Yes.
Okay. My name is Laura. I'm an English teacher from England. I currently live in Peru. I am 23 years old, and I am one of the best English teachers that you will ever find.
Yes, great. Yesterday, I was also speaking with one of my tutor. So at that moment, once I asked this question, she lost the confidence.
That's why she probably didn't do the trick. You have to say it out loud. I did that, and look, the confidence is there. The ego is massive.
Yes, yes, yes. This is the best thing that you have, realized me, because earlier there were a lot of people who were suggesting me a lot of things, but this is one of the best things which I
The
found.
best.
So thank
Practice
you
it.
so much.
No problem. You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.